Hi, and welcome to my show. This show is dedicated to all the wonders and magic involving Scientology. I wanted to tell you and the entire world how Scientology is the most powerful and greatest experience of all other religions. Never have I ever had so many friends before. You know what I have? I have a little alien that I keep right on my shoulders. He sits on my shoulders kind of like you would carry a child on your shoulders. Me and my little alien friend, we do everything together. We swing on the swing sets. We run around the park. We cook tofu together. Actually, I cook tofu. He just watches. Aliens don't eat. They don't. It's amazing. I love to eat. I love food. Anyway, well, I wanted to have this little chat with you today because I wanted to address all the very negative things that people have been saying about Scientology. Because Scientology saved my life. But I'm okay. Okay. Life is good. House is dusty, but that's okay. That the little alien friend couldn't take care of if he just took a little time out of his day. Instead of sitting on my shoulders all day, doing nothing. Makes me wonder why I paid thousands of dollars to get all this enlightenment and a free alien. Smelly gals around the house. Beware. Anyway, so. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. Scientology, woohoo!